YouTube launches a Notify Me button feature for live streams and also gives official tips on how to create content for television audience. Instagram releases multiple tools for Reels, including editing features that makes it easier to create Reels on mobile. Elon Musk's new venture X.AI will compete with OpenAI, and Amazon launches Bedrock, a service that will help organizations build and scale generative AI applications. All these important news items and much more coming up in this 197th weekly edition of the Connected Church News with me, Natchi Lazarus. Welcome. This is the show that brings you the top 5 digital, social media, and Web3 news that you need to know for this week in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. YouTube made a couple of important announcements last week. One is about the launch of a new feature called Notify Me button, which is a call to action button that you can add to announcement posts about your upcoming live stream. Let's say you have a church service or an event in your nonprofit ministry and you have a live stream. Now you can add a Notify Me button to the announcement post. Earlier, people had to go to the video watch page to be reminded about that live stream, but now you can add it in the announcement post. Could be very useful in multiple ministry use cases. Check it out. The second announcement is about you creating content that is maximized for your television audience. YouTube says TV surface is the fastest growing surface, and it is the second biggest surface after Android where people watch YouTube. So they give practical tips on how you can create content for TV audience. Instagram announces multiple new features for Instagram Reels, including Reels Trends, which is a dedicated destination where you can go and find trending audio and trending hashtags that you can quickly pick up and use for your Reels so that you can reach more people using Reels. This is similar to TikTok's Creative Center tool, but the UI looks slightly different. The bigger and the more interesting announcement is about the new editing workflow that they've brought into the app for Instagram Reels. This new workflow lets you edit all the components, video, audio, stickers, text, and all of it in the same screen, similar to what you might have experienced if you used tools like CapCut. All those features come into Instagram native app. CapCut, by the way, is owned by ByteDance, the same company that owns TikTok. The artificial intelligence AI industry continues to grow and create a lot of buzz in the tech circles. We have a couple of interesting news items. One is about Elon Musk's new venture that could potentially compete with OpenAI. The organization is called X.AI, and Wall Street Journal reported that this company has been incorporated in Nevada, and this could potentially be linked to earlier discussions from Mr. Elon Musk about his vision for an everything app called X. So X.AI is the name of the new company. The second news is about Amazon's entry into the generative AI space by launching the service called Bedrock, which is going to help organizations build and scale generative AI applications, including features like text generation, chatbot, search, text summarization, image generation, personalization, and all of it using not just one model but multiple foundational models. Did you know that we have an exclusive private WhatsApp announcement group for giving you information, additional news and trends related to the tech industry, social media, digital, online, Web3, and all of that stuff? And this is a group exclusively for leaders and media teams of nonprofits, churches, ministries, and faith-based organizations. So if you are in any of those spaces, then you might want to scan this QR code and join our group. This is a totally private, one-way communication group, which means you will not be able to interact with others. In fact, you will not be able to see who else is in the group except the administrators. So it is purely a broadcast group, one-way announcement group, but we do share a lot of insights, information, videos, thoughts, and strategies, and so on. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, then you might want to come join us by scanning the QR code or visiting the link that you see on the screen. Meta's engineering team made a significant announcement last week about one of the encoding technologies that they are releasing, which could make your reels and stories and the other content on the Meta platform sound better. So this is basically an audio technology that adjusts the audio levels, gives a consistent output or playback when people are listening to you. This is a big requirement, especially considering that now how the audio and video content are increasing with reels and stories and posts and videos. This is a good move by the Meta team. This technology is called XHEAAC, and they say that it's already rolled out on Facebook and Instagram for reels and stories, and eventually it'll be rolling out to all other types of content. As Ministries, anything that makes our audio sound good is good news for us. WhatsApp announced 3 features that will make the security stronger on accounts and devices. The 3 features are Account Protect, Device Verification, and Automatic Security Codes. Account Protect is more about protection when you move to a new device. So now WhatsApp will verify with the old device before moving you to the new device, so that there is no accidental or problematic move that you did not intend to happen. Device verification is more about protecting you from malware when your device is under attack, so they have additional verifications to avoid that. And automatic security codes is to ensure that you are sending your message to the intended recipient and not somebody else. So all of these are good features. You can dig into more tech details. We'll link to all of them in the show notes. If you have any comments or questions about any of the stories we talked about, DM me at Natchi Lazarus on Instagram or Twitter, or you can simply leave a comment wherever you're listening to me. We'll make sure we get you all the answers. I'll see you next week with another set of news items. Until then, you stay connected and stay blessed. God bless you.